Hi students, I am Roshan Saha, and in this tutorial or in this class we are going to discuss about introduction to QVC. Students, first of all, before starting this topic, we must need to know about some contents, that is program, programmer, or programming language. Before knowing the QBasic program, we must need to understand about what is the program, because QBasic program high level programming language. If you don't know about what is the programming language, then we cannot define, we cannot understand about the QBasic programming, because it is the basic level programming language. Especially QBasic provides the basic information. You are already knowing about the QBasic programming, C programming, C++ programming, Java programming, Visual Basic programming, all are the programming languages. And among them, QBasic is the basic level programming language because it provides the basic information for all the high level language programmings. Okay? Then first of all, QBasic program, these are the components or these are the elements for the QBasic programming language. Okay? First of all, program. What is program? We must need to know about the program, which is designed by the programmer. The program is the set of instruction or code which has a specific task. As for example, simple, we are not talking about any programming language. Simple, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, sum equal to A plus B, and print what? Print sum. Okay, this is a program. Simply, another program, this is the another program. If value of A is 10, value of B is 20, sum equal to A plus B, print sum. We have to think about the contents. This is the instruction. This is the code. A equal to 10. This is the bundle. This is the packet, or similar to the discrete packet. Okay? A equal to 10, B equal to 20. That means this is the instruction or code, which is the collection of alphabets, symbols, and digits. If we follow here, then these all are the alphabets, A, B, sum. This is the result words, which is the keywords, which is already defined in QBasic programming. And these are the numbers. Okay? The programming, all the programs are the set of instruction or code. Without instruction, without code, we cannot design the program. Or without the program, we cannot create the software, which is designed by the software developer, which is also called the programmer. Understood? So this is the program. So we can define it by a program is a set of instruction or code which has a specific task or jobs. Number 2, what is programmer? Especially programmer, ER. Program, and we have added ER, that is programmer. That means it is the person who designed the program. It is the person who designed the software. It is the person who developed the software, that is called the programmer. It is the intelligent person. An intelligent person always debug the program, codings the program, modify the program, and design the program. That is called the programmers. Okay? All intelligent persons are the programmers. All the professional, talent professional, lecturers are the programmers. Two types of programmers. One is the system programmer, other is the application programmers. Now, let's discuss about the system programmers. Programmer, just a computer programmer. Okay? It will be better. Computer programmer. Computer programmer can be classified into two categories. One is the system programmer, and the other is the application programmer. Actually, programmer, it is the intelligent person who designs the software. It can be classified into two categories. One is the system programmer, other is the application programmer. Hello students, you all are knowing there are two types of software. One is the system software, other is the application software. Let's discuss about the system software. What is system software? The software which can be designed by the designed for the computer systems. Those softwares which is designed for the computer systems or devices is called the system software. So those persons who design the system software, like as the device driver, like as the operating system, language translator, device drivers, utility software programs, is called the system programmer or engineer. Application software, those persons who design the application programs, like as the school management software, like as the banking accounting package software, like as different types of applications, is called the application programmer. Okay, do you know understand programmer? Thanks. Now, third number, programming language. This is the most important. QBasic is the part of a type of the programming language. Okay, the programming language is a type of the computer language. Before knowing the language, programming language, we must need to know about the language. What is language? Especially language is a system for communication. When we talk between students, when we talk between computer to students, when we talk between two clients, then we have to use the language. So it is a system for communication. Without language, we cannot communicate. There are two types of language. One is the computer language, other is the normal language. Normal language which cannot understand by the computers, as like as Nepali, as like as English, as like as Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, Banarsi, Farsi, Bengali, all are called the normal language which doesn't understand by the computers. Computer only understands the machine language, that is the binary code. Okay, so mean two types of language, computer language and programming language. The programming language is a type of the computer language. Let's discuss about programming language. A programming language is a type of computer language which is used to design the application or softwares. Students, one thing you must need to know one thing. You are working in different platforms of programming, like as the QBasic, C, C++, Oracle, Visual Basic, Java, Python, millions of the programming languages you are knowing. Especially programming languages are the computer language, which is used to design the programs, which is used to design the application softwares. We all are working in computer by using the Google Chrome. 100% people are knowing Google Chrome. Many persons are using the softwares, web softwares, standalone softwares. These all softwares are designed by the programming language. That means programming language plays a vital role into the information technology. That means programming language is the father of information technology. If the programming language is not invented, then technology cannot develop. Like its simple QBasic program. QBasic program is a type of the programming language. C programming is the example of programming language. C++ programming is the programming language. C has its programming language. After Visual Java is the programming language. Many programming languages which is used to design the softwares or applications. Okay? So then, first of all, programming language, many programs, among them some programs are the basic level programming language which provides the basic information about the programs, as like the QBasic and C. These are the basic programmings. Just simple, I can take the example. How to speak when I will teach in child stage, nursery and LKG, UKG, how to write letters. Okay, in simply in QBasic programming there is given the basic information about the programmings, how to coding, how to debugging the program, how to designing the program, how to write the program. We can learn very easily, very well by the QBasic programmings. Suppose we are not understanding about the QBasic program. It is very difficult to design in C programming, C++ programming, C programming and Java programming. It provides the basic information about the programming language. If you don't know how to write ABCD, how to write how to write the simple contents, it is very difficult to understand about. Write a letter. In simply, for programming language, basic is one of them. And one excellent example, we are going to provide one excellent example as the program, programmer and programming language. Any school which contains the collection of students. A student is as the instruction or code, and the collection of many students and made a class as the program. And when many classes, the collection of many classes, which is called college, university or school, that is called shortage or programming language. Okay, in this tutorial I have explained about the programmer and programming language. In the next session we will discuss about basic programming language and QBasic programming language and its features. And I stop my class today. Thanks.